Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. Firstly, you need to check is your Bluetooth turned on. Open control panel, and if it turned off, just tap on it and we just enable it. Now, if you have Android, this earbud should reconnect to your phone automatically, but on iOS we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, no, only Bluetooth for iOS, but I recommend it to also check it on your Android, and just tap at your earbuds at the device list here, and we have connection. Next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and we know it by the LED light, and then you remove it from the charging case and then check, is it fixed? Do you have connection? If it also didn't help you, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and then at the back side we have right here SKULLCANDY logo, and this one is touch your ears. Firstly, you need to press and hold simultaneously at the both of your earbuds for at least 4 seconds to turn off your headphones, and you will see the red LED light, meaning that your headphones turn off. Here we go. Then you can release your fingers and then press and hold again until the LED light turn off. It's something like 10 seconds. So press and hold simultaneously again, and firstly it's turned on, then enter to pairing mode. Don't worry, just keep holding touch controls. Here we go, now it's turned off, so you can release your fingers and then put your earbuds to the charging case. Now we need to remove them from the phone, so at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, and then remove your earbuds from the charging case. Your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and we know it by the LED light, what flashing blue and red, and we see them at the device list. So tap on them and we just reconnect them. I have the last method for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings, but once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then you need to go to the general settings. Click at this line, now scroll down, and at the last line we have transfer reset iPhone. Click here, then click reset, and right here you need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, so the Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Then write your password and click reset network settings. But again, once you did it, you will totally remove your networks from your phone. Now we need to move to Android. And on your Android, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected device. We need to go to the system, so scroll down and right here I have system. Scroll down again, and at the bottom here's reset options. Enter here, and you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then click reset, and again you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.